Beatboxing is a balance between outward and inward breath. Yeah. Okay guys, let's move on. Okay, so we've done the basics of beatboxing, we've learned some rhythms, and we learned some snares as well, like the and the. Now what we're gonna do is learn breath control, okay? Because when you're beatboxing, you have to have that balance between outward breath and inward breath, right? So we're going to strip it right down and go right to the basics. So all I want you guys to do is this, go ah. Now, do this. Pretend like you've watched a scary movie and you breathe in, but you breathe in very quickly. Like you're scared of something. Oh my God. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the outward breath, and that inward breath, and we're going to put that into a beat. So it goes, So now what we're going to do, we're going to condense that beat. So instead of going, we're going to tune it. So, so now that sound turns into when you breathe in. Now you can have the balance between both sounds, both outward and inward. Into the beat. Awesome. Well done, guys. Make sure you follow Tangent on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just like that.